Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Webflow templates for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Google and type in Webflow. After that, sign into your account. And once that's done, you're ready to explore the wide world of templates. Next, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's template marketplace. This is the hub where you can browse through countless designs to find one that suits your project. Whether it's for a portfolio, a business, or a blog, there's something for everyone. Once you're in the marketplace, focus your attention on finding the free category. Webflow makes this easy with filters that allow you to specifically seek out free templates. After you've filtered your search, take some time to scroll through the options and select a template that aligns with your vision and needs. Once you've found the perfect template, click on the Use for Free button. After that, click on the Create Site button and 4. This action will open your chosen template directly in the Webflow Designer, where the magic happens. In the Designer, you'll be given the option to either start a brand new site using the template or bring it into an existing project. This flexibility is one of Webflow's strengths. Depending on what you want to achieve, you can customize the template to meet your precise specifications. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits and your site is ready to go live, you can easily publish it. Webflow provides the tools to smoothly bring your site from the draft stage to a live, accessible website. It's a rewarding moment to see your hard work available to the world online. And that's it. So that is how you can get Webflow templates for free. So that's all for this video. Thanks.